Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Magic Carman, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the ultimate deck switch. A red deck all the way to a blue one. So what you need to know how to do is you need to know how to do the Erdnase color change. And I have a tutorial. So you need to do know how to do the Erdnase color change. I'll do a quick tutorial on that, but if you want a longer, more in-depth tutorial, it's linked down below in the description. So you push off the card and then pick up the bottom card and then just put it right on top. That's all you need to do. So once you do the Erdnase color change, you need an entire blue deck or any color, doesn't matter, it can be any color, and have one red card right on top, and you're just showing and you say, hey, this is a red deck, and all you're doing is just showing the top card. That's it. And then do the Erdnase color change, wave, snap my fingers, and the whole deck turns blue. You want to make sure you don't accidentally show the red card, so just kind of push off like a few cards or about half, and then just show the rest, just like that. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, leave a like, turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss an upload, and I'll see you in the next video. Boom!